Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. The San Jose Cafaso Salesian School of Spiritual Accompaniment aims to form Salesians and lay people with the ability to accompany the processes of personal and vocational growth, walking alongside young people in their human experience and faith through the Salesian charism. This work has a fundamental value. It must be carried out in the daily lives of young people, integrating their interests, their dreams, but also their fears. Given the climate of insecurity and fear that the country is experiencing, the work of the Salesian accompanies take on greater importance so that young people do not lose hope, do not feel unprotected, and can count on a friend on the path of life. We live in a constant humanitarian emergency, something that everybody is perceiving. The Salesian family cannot ignore this reality and has acted accordingly to bring humanitarian relief and hope in some of the worst conflicts, and Ukraine war is one clear example. In 2018, after the approval by the General Council, it was published Stream of Solidarity in the Salesian Manual for Emergency Response, which guides our actions. In line with it, the Rector Major Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime took the initiative of appointing a global coordinator, Father MC George, today succeeded by Father Eric Mairura, and activated the Global Emergency Response Mechanism. The third day of the team visit to the Salesian region of Africa, Madagascar, was marked by two highly significant moments. In the morning, the reflection on youth ministry offered by the General Councillor, Father Miguel Angel Garcia Murquende. In the afternoon, the touching visit to the 1994 Genocide Memorial. The morning of Thursday, 22nd February, began as usual with the Eucharistic celebration presided over by Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major of the Salesians. Then, during the morning, the assembly listened carefully to the words of Father Garcia Murquende, whose addresses focused on two key points. The Don Bosco Secondary School in Tonj celebrated Saint Josephine Bakita, patroness of Sudan and victim of human trafficking. The day began with the Eucharistic celebration presided over by Father Tamil Selvan, administrator of Don Bosco Mission, followed by various cultural programs and a fraternal lunch. The day was dedicated in a special way to praying for peace in Sudan and South Sudan, where Saint Josephine Bakita was born in 1869. Saint Josephine Bakita, also known as the flower of the desert and the saint of slaves, is the patron saint of one of the houses of the school, together with Don Bosco, Dominic Savio, and Daniel Comboni, with the hope that these bright figures of holiness will motivate students to be more like them in the following of Christ. Over 400 young people from the Salesian works in the Argentina North Province ARN gathered to experience the Zati Joven 2024 event, a real Salesian style celebration that took place from 10 to 13 February in the parish of San Juan Bosco and Santo Domingo Savio in Cordoba. Under the motto, "If dreams are with you, the celebration is to see you again." Because of the bicentenary of Don Bosco's dream at 9 years of age, the young leaders were filled with a desire to celebrate, as a family, the fact that they are children of the same dream. The Zati Joven event is an initiative of the Salesian Youth Movement, SYM, whose main purpose is to understand the values and spirituality that characterize the SYM, trying to provide a space for communion and celebration for all participants. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.